Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your photos with this quality restoration tool on Wings app. So in here, I've already opened the Wing app. Now you can see at the homepage, there's this image quality option. So let's just tap on that. Here you can use this professional repair technology. You can choose between this quality HD, Ultra HD, Portrait, and AI UHD. So I'm going to go with the Ultra HD here. Tap on the try now and then select your photos. For example, I'm going to use these photos right here. Now you can see it's processing. You can just wait and the enhancement process, so you can compare it. This is the before and here's the after. You can see the image has become better. Now you can just tap on save to save the result to your gallery. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.